how to snooze an account or post for 30 days. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to snooze account posts for 30 days. It's so easy and quick. So let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and for example let's choose one of those, the first one. All I need to do is click on those three lines up there, and here you have temporarily stop seeing posts. To snooze this account, click on it, and this is it. You have now snoozed that account, and you won't be able to see their posts in your feed for 30 days. And this is it. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.